Here's how one channel earned $115,000 per month using just shorts. See the proof. Welcome to the Make Money Online channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts without filming, editing, or even showing your face. We'll be diving into a super secret niche and channel that has recently gone viral and has only started 5 months ago. I'll be sharing how I discovered this channel and showing you how you can take advantage of it. By searching for hashtags shorts on the YouTube search bar, you'll be directed to the short shelf, where all shorts video are uploaded. Currently, there are 415 million videos on the short shelf, and by 2024, there will be over 1 billion videos. With only 22 million channels, this is a small amount and we're still early in the game, which is why you should take advantage of this opportunity and start earning passive income from your computer. Let's dive into the super secret niche and channel that I've found. By scrolling down the short shelf, I found a variety of faceless niches, such as Roblox channel and an ice cream cone channel. However, upon further scrolling, I came across a video with the channel Anime God, which received 1.6 million views in just 3 days. This is a significant indication of the popularity of anime shorts videos. To further research this niche, I searched for hashtag shorts plus anime. This pulled up all the anime shorts videos and showed me their popularity and number of views. These videos don't require showing one's face or filming any videos, as they are simply clips of anime. As I looked through the search results, I could see that these videos were getting millions upon millions of views, indicating that this is a super secret niche with little to no competition. To gain insight into this channel's success, I examined Anime God's channel and saw that they were simply creating short videos featuring anime characters and were receiving anywhere from 25,000 views to 1.6 million views. To verify the success of this channel, we can go on Social Blade and see that the user created their channel on June 2nd, 2022, just 6 months ago, and they're already earning $150,000 a month or 1.4 million a year. This is possible because they are getting 1 to 2 to 3 million views per day on their videos, and as a result, there are lots of advertisers willing to advertise on the channel. To take advantage of this particular niche, the first thing we'll do is go to TikTok and search for anime. This will show us all the anime channels like Anaflexer, Anime Soldier, and Hachi Raw that are making tons of money without anyone knowing who the owner is. We'll take a look at their most popular videos, like this one with 1.2 million views, and we'll grab it and remove the watermark and make the video copyright free to make it our own. In order to use the video for our own channel, we need to remove the watermark. To do this, we'll press the share button on the video, copy the link, and paste it into a secret software that will remove the watermark and download the video to our computer. Once the video has been downloaded, we'll edit it slightly to make it copyright free. This can be done by adding some music and a little commentary to the video. We'll use a website such as Canva to do this. On Canva, we'll search for mobile video, create the blank mobile video, and drag and drop the downloaded video into Canva. Then we can edit the video as we want. One thing to keep in mind when editing the video is that it may contain copyrighted music. To avoid the music copyright issue, we can either silence the music in the video or use music from the YouTube Shorts library. This way, we can still earn ad revenue without getting a music copyright. In this case, we are going to silence the music and add a text to the video that prompts the viewers to comment on what they think is in the cup. the girl is handing over. This will increase engagement and views on the video. We will then upload the video to YouTube Shorts. To do this, we'll press the share button, download the video, and then upload it to our YouTube Shorts channel. By adding commentary, we have made the video unique and prevent copyright issues. Additionally, the increased engagement from the comments will lead to an average view duration of over 100, which is a key factor in going viral. To upload the video to YouTube, we'll title the video with keywords such as anime girl and hashtag shorts, so that YouTube knows it's a shorts video. We'll also copy the title and paste it in the description to add more metadata for YouTube to understand that's in an anime shorts video. We'll then scroll down and add anime SEO tags or keywords in the tag box. We'll fill this up to a maximum of 500 tags, including keywords such as anime, anime girl, anime shorts, and anime adventures. This will help rank at the video at the top of search results, increasing its visibility and potential to go viral. It is important to note that while this method utilizes short-form videos, the creator of the channel utilizes long-form videos, as they generate more ad revenue. And that's it for now, folks. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment about your progress once you've tried this one.